This is just a continuation of what I was speaking to you about before as far as RSS feeders. And this is one of my blogs, Stars blogs. It's an astrology blog. And over here you'll see that you have feedburner. Okay, this is RSS feed. Okay, and if you click on it, okay, but what's going to happen is that you can see that a little subscribe button is going to come up here. Alright, and you can choose what reader you want. Okay, and you can get your own account and so forth. Okay, and it's also going to tell you pretty much all of the different articles that have been posted on this particular blog. Okay, so that's what an RSS reader will do for you. Okay, you put that in here, and as I was speaking to you about before, there is a way of setting that up on your blog. You just go into your administration. Alright, so you go into your dashboard. Alright, and in that it's going to be in the administration. And okay, and then you'll see the plugins here. Okay, as I was mentioning to you before on the last video, that we have several plugins here that have been uploaded. Okay, and this is the one I wanted to speak to you about. This is going to give you your RSS feeder. Okay, and go in here and click on feedburner. Alright, and this is actually the actual what is known as an RSS feed. Alright, feeds.feedburner.com/astrology, and it always gives it to you once you create a feedburner. Look, this is what's going to happen here, is that you'll go to your account. You have to set up your account, of course, with feedburner. Alright, so that you can manage your account, all your different feeds and so forth for your feedburner. Here you go, and then you'll just go in here, and this is of course at that feedburner.com. Alright, and then you'll go in and you'll navigate through and set up your own actual feedburner, and then return. You'll have to set it up here, and you can see I already have this is actually my feed here. Alright, and I already have this, so I'm not going to do this. I'm going to go back here, and as I mentioned to you before, you take that particular feed, alright, and you go into your widgets. Alright, and this particular theme here only has one sidebar. Alright, this is the feed here. This is a feed burner. You can see here, this is the actual feed here. Alright, and whenever you go in there and move around with your widget, you always want to make sure you click on Save Changes, just in case anything changes. Alright, then you also have the opportunity in your other widget here to put in other kinds of RSS. This is for anybody who was born on that particular day. In other words, RSS from other sites that are going to liven up your site, make it very friendly. This is a feed from the BBC and the United Kingdom. what's happening on this particular day. Remember, this is an astrology site, okay? And let's see, there's actually one more here. And this is a feed, whoops, I lost that one here. That one actually is Trivia, the Danish X Factor. Okay, so that has to do with the Danish idol. All right, and you can see how those things are going to show up on the front page here. Okay, you're just going to, you can look over here at the actual site, and it'll show up in just a second here. You might have to refresh it a bit. Oh, something's happening here. I'm not sure what's going on here. Well, that is the actual what's going on at that particular site, and something just happened here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go ahead and